Good morning folks, it is 6:05. Welcome to day 3 on the Affric and Kintail way. Right guys, for today's breakfast we're having MX3 chocolate muesli. Cheers. Aye! That's what I was pitched last night. As you can see, the flat grass where I was. Me and Davey were packed up, ready to go. How you doing, buddy?
Good mate, really good.
Good. How good Davey's tent was. Same again, flat grass. That's it. All rubbish took away. I think we've got a 10k hike to the hostel. Hopefully get in there. Be a long day. I think we'll be a lot of time spent in the hostel. Maybe we've got a wee wander, depending on what time we get there, but we're just going to take our time down along here. Hopefully that sun comes out for us. Hi guys, day 3 started. I said earlier on we had 10k. David just reminded me it's nearly 14k. So that's what it is. The sun's trying to break through. Still a bit cloudy, but when you see the mountains, these mountains were clear yesterday. There's also a wee bit of snowfall last night, so when I get closer to the mountains I'll give you a wee look at them.
In the park, mate. The lights and that, and I'm sitting with my coffee. Winds up at Liverpool, and then at the 4.
There you go guys, small world. Very odd Stevie, how you doing mate?
I'm not bad, Tom, how are you?
Oh good, it's a small world. I last met him up at Oban on Ben Finlay.
Ben Finlay, that's
aye,
right.
brilliant.
But that was what, 2 years ago?
Oh easy,
Would be 2
easy.
years ago.
So as I say, it's a small world guys.
Dead blood in the streets, it's up to my ankles. Feet blood in the streets, it's up to my knees. Ghosts crowd the young child's fragile eggshell mind. Blood in the streets in the town of New Haven. Blood stains the roofs and the palm trees of Venice. Blood in my love in the terrible summer. Bloody red sun of fantastic LA. Blood screens the brain to chop off the fingers. Blood will be born in the birth of a nation. Blood is the rose of mysterious union. Dead blood in the streets, it's up to my ankles. Blood in the streets, it's up to my knee. Blood in the streets, the town of Chicago. Blood on the rise, it's following me. Come on, now touch me, babe. Can't you see that I am not afraid? What was that promise that you made? Why won't you tell me what she said? What was that promise that you made? Now I'm gonna love you till the heavens stop the rain. I'm gonna love you till the stars fall from the sky for you and I. Come on, now touch me, babe. Can't you see that I am not afraid? What was that promise that you made? Why won't you tell me what she said? What was that promise that you made? I'm gonna love you till the heavens stop the rain. I'm gonna love you till the stars fall from the sky for you and I. I'm gonna love you till the heavens stop the rain. I'm gonna love you till the stars fall from the sky.
Well guys, that's day 3 complete. We've made it to the youth hostel here. Stats for today are 16.72k, 328 metres of ascent, and we were 7 hours and 4 minutes. Well, we took our time today, no rush. Apparently you can't get in here until 5 o'clock, so it's only 3:30 minutes. We've got a bit of waiting about today, so we just got to seat out, get the packs off, get the feet up and rest. That is good, Davey.
It's a way better than expected. Not sure tomorrow will be, but I don't mind. For me, that's to myself. Nobody else is afraid. There's a cut lines that says in the back of the door, but I don't know what. It says drink water out that tap, but it's got a red ring on it.